Our next question, Roxana R. asked, what are the first steps to earn money with your work, and how long did it take to achieve it? Whoa.
Yeah. Well, for me, it did take a long time. I mean, you saw the history from 11 years old being published all the way to getting those first freelance jobs with White Wolf doing the role-playing game stuff. And, that was probably a 8-year period of me just drawing obsessively before I got to that place where I actually got paid for something. And it wasn't very much money. It was $25 for a quarter page and $100 for a full page with airbrushed art, So then, and even with that, it wasn't consistent. So it was just like one job. So before I actually got into consistent work, getting the agency or through the agency at Famous Frames in LA, that took years and years of like serious focus, submitting stuff constantly, like creating art to submit to comic publishers, like regularly, and just, getting the rejection letters. I have a huge binder full of rejection letters that I was very proud of. And on the cover it says Jason Brubaker's rejection letters before getting 1 cent from any comic book publisher, and it's completely full. It's just like, it's thick. So, it's a process, and you have to build that trust with people that are hiring you. You gotta have art that shows them that if they hire you, they don't have to teach you anything. So you need to be able to show them that you're going to be able to deliver on the things that they need without giving you an education.